Hey guys, Tidy7 here, bringing you guys a brand new Nexo tutorial video today. First of all, so sorry I haven't been making any videos these last month or so. I've actually been a bit ill. I've had broken ribs on my left side and I've had a viral chest infection. So that's taken a bit of toll on me these last month or so. So sorry I haven't been making any videos. Hopefully I'm gonna be starting making a lot more now since I'm feeling a bit more better. Just do give me like another week or so just to finally get fully back into it. But thank you guys for sticking around and leaving your comments. I have been reading them. So sorry I haven't answered them. Again, I've just been trying to recover, focus on that. Now since I'm feeling better, I'm finally getting back into it and just slowly just trying to ease back into everything again. But before we get started, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to get 100 subscribers by the end of May. If you somehow get done by April, you guys are absolute legends. But let's get into it. Now, it's going to be a bit of a different video today. We're going to be refixing our saplings. The only reason why is because our saplings aren't actually written up correctly. I noticed in the last video I made that I didn't actually write up the sapling code correctly to look like it's got a 2D model. At the moment, it's just looking like it's got a 3D model. And that in the hotbar, it's very dark. So as you can see on my screen up here, see how I'm holding it? It looks like a 3D kind of model in my hand. And we actually don't want that. We want the 2D model. Again, it's up to you if you want to keep the 3D model kind of looking thing. Completely up to you. But for me, I want to stick to the 2D model like all the other plants are. Because, yeah, it just doesn't look nice to me. And you also notice in the hotbar that it's also real dark, so you want to fix up the lighting on that too. So I want you guys to open up your Nexo item, Nexo default, and your sapling.yml file, and then here we're going to add in a couple lines of code and also change some of the codes to be placed around. So what we're going to be doing first, we're going to be creating another ID. And this one's going to be our palm underscore sapling underscore placed. Then underneath that, we're going to add in these two commands, functions. So we've got just under the L, we're going to type in exclude from commands. So what this means is that you can't, I set this one to true. What this means is that you can't like type in Nexo and get the item. So it will like remove that. So it just doesn't assist to Nexo's commands. After that, we're going to type in exclude from inventory. I set that one to true. Now, the reason for these got the thing up there. The reason for this is it means that it won't go into the Nexo inventory group thing. Like when you do Nexo inventory, it will sit in like this. So we're making it get removed from this. So you just have the sapling here, not the place fusion. So after that, we're going to type in pack with a capital P. Then underneath that, we're going to type in parent underscore model. And then we want to make this the block / cross. So the block cross is what you're seeing on the sapling right now. See how it's crisscrossed? And then under that, we want to type in textures. And pretty much underneath that line, we just want to copy this texture down below and paste it in here. Then after that, we want to give a custom underscore model underscore data. And this one is literally going to be, just for a second, it's for 200,300. Because I don't know what other IDs I have at the moment. When you're done that, we now need to go to the palm sapling sections, and we've got to remove a couple line of code. So we're going to remove the parent model. because what's going to happen is that this is going to generate the model for us. And down here it says model. We're going to change this palm model ID to palm sapling place model ID. So what this means is that, and remove that. What this means is that the sapling itself will no longer look like this. It's now going to grab this model and place it in here, and all that kind of stuff. You'll see when I reload the thing. And for that, that is all we need to do. So we can now do Nexo reload all. Actually, no, before I do that, save the file, Control S. And in here, we can now do /Nexo reload all. Give it a second or two. And just like that, you can see it's fixed its coloring in the hotbar. It's also fixed the 3D to the 2D vision, so it looks like an actual sapling in inventory. And when you place it, or actually place it, still as a 3D vision of the sapling. So all we've done is that we've just made another ID and another model ID to be placed in the palm sapling vision. So again, makes it all work. And pretty much you just need to do this for every single sapling you make, and all that. Very easy, very quick update to this. This is what I was going to do for today, just to fix this up before we move on to doing our schematics. Hopefully I'll have the next video out sometime this week. The schematic's going to take just a bit longer because of how much I have to try teach you and how easy I can make it for you guys. But if you guys do not want to do this, I have actually made a pack of the palms that you guys can actually buy right now on what do you call it, Built by Bit. Give me 1 second, I'll show you guys. So I have made a palm vision, and this actually comes with 20 different variants of schematics. As you can see here, they will spawn naturally when you plant it, so they will grow. You can also use bone meals. So I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below. It is like $5, but that's just to help me out and my designer with all this. We are going to be uploading a lot more tree types for you guys, so do keep an eye out for that in the Nexo Discord and all that stuff. But this will be in the description below. But besides that, hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, leave any comments on what else you might want to see after we've done palm trees, and I might try to get my designer to make some of those things for us. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to catch you guys on the next video. Bye.